Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to show you the buys we did last week and then update the dividend trackers on trackyourdividends.com, which is completely free, and then update ShareSite as well to show you the performance of the whole portfolio. And so if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So as you can see here, at the end of the week there, the portfolio closed out at $18,509.76, down $94.85 on the day. For the 1 week, we were down $37.27, down 0.2%. For the 1 month, down $486.69, down 2.56%. For the 3 months, we are down $903.80, down 4.66%. And for the 1 year, we are up $240.32, up 1.32%. And for the all, we're up $1,343.81, up 7.83% since starting this portfolio. We have $33.69 sitting in the cash account. And to show you the buys, of course, every single week we do put a fractional buy of the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. Closing out at $100 there, $100.58, down 9 cents on the day, down 0.09%. We now hold almost 21 full shares, total position value of $2,105.11. Our average price of getting in is $94.54, and it holds about 11.39% of the portfolio. So as I go down, you will see that the fractional buy, we were able to purchase almost a quarter of a share, but we purchased 0.2478 of a share at the price of $100.88, total cost of $25. Every single week we do that. And then for the full buys, we did go and purchase BAM, which is Brookfield Asset Management, a newer position in the portfolio, closing out at $42.14. up 7 cents on the day, up 0.17%. We now have 10 shares, total position value of $421.40. We are in at an average price of $43.84, and it holds about 2.28% of the portfolio. So for this position, we were able to buy 2 shares, as you can see here, at the price of $42.43, total purchase price of $84.86. And those were the buys for last week there. And yeah, we'll go ahead and head over to trackyourdividends.com and show you guys the update here. So on trackyourdividends.com, which is completely free to use to track dividends, that's what I use it for. I'm not one to use it to track the performance of anything, but it does provide some valuable data. So portfolio yield, if you build the portfolio today without the updated positions, you can see that your portfolio yield would be 4.1%. Our portfolio yield, because of dollar cost averaging, buying whether it's high, whether it's low, is 4.38%, which is 0.28% higher than if you were to build it just the way it is today or last week or whatever. Annual income comes in at $751 per year. Of course, that is not accurate in the sense of you divide that up into 4, and that's your payment per quarter. Companies pay at different months because their quarters end at different times, and so it creates in certain months you'll get the same amount, in other months you won't. So it's 751, but on average you divide that by 4, and that's how much you get on a quarterly basis on average, but $751 per year. Okay, now with the updated positions, you can see that portfolio yield still sits at 4.1%. Our yield on cost goes down from 4.38 to 4.37%. But our annual income has gone up from $751 to $755, and that is with the updated positions. And so that is trackyourdividends.com. You can use it if you want for free. I don't have any affiliation with them. I just use them to track the amount of dividends we're going to receive annually, and also like to see the yield on cost for ourselves from each position. So moving on to ShareSite, which is a site I do pay for. No endorsement, no affiliation with them whatsoever, but I do pay for it, and I do enjoy this site because it shows you the whole performance of the portfolio, including all the factors, including dividends, foreign exchange, if you hold US positions like this portfolio does, and also the capital gains, and it gives you a total percentage in return for the year, and does track from year to year in the fiscal year and not year to date, like year over year. If you understand that metric, like year over year or year to date, those are two totally different things. But this one does track in the fiscal calendar year of year to date. So as you can see here, capital gains for us in this portfolio, and this has already been updated, $214.05, up 1.17%. The dividends come in strong at $261.91, up 1.44%, so a little lift there. Currency gains, so a little bit of foreign exchange. We do hold a couple US positions in this portfolio. We are down $17.82, down 0.1%, which gives us a total return of $458.14, up 2.51%. And so that is ShareSite. That shows the performance of the portfolio year to date. And yeah, I'm not too upset about that. I know it seems low compared to just holding the Vanguard S&P 500 index ETF. Of course, right now I do believe that's up to like 8% year to date, and we're almost halfway through the year, and so things are looking great. That's fine. I'm okay with it. I'm just glad that there's no dividends getting cut. Of course, we still are getting dividends, and we are still reinvesting them as we do every single week, or when we do receive them. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.